Okay, hello. Today we're going to be playing Warcraft Orcs and Humans on Warcraft 3. This is the engine. Here's the intro. It's not a game I've played, or not a map on Warcraft 3 I've played. I played through the original Warcraft 1, both humans and orcs, but this should be fun.
In the Age of Chaos, two factions battled for dominance. The kingdom of Azeroth was a prosperous one. The humans who dwelled there turned the land into a paradise. The Knights of Stormwind and the clerics of Norsha Abbey roamed far and wide, serving the king's people with honor and justice. The well-trained armies of the king maintained a lasting peace for many generations. Then came the Orcish hordes. No one knew where these creatures came from, and none were prepared for the terror that they spawned. Their warriors wielded axe and spear with deadly proficiency, while others rode dark wolves as black as the moonless night. Unimagined were the destructive powers of their evil magics, derived from the fires of the underworld. With an ingenious arsenal of weaponry and powerful magic, these two forces collide in a contest of cunning, intellect, and brute strength, with the victor claiming dominance over the whole of Azeroth. Welcome to the world of Warcraft.
Now that was actually very accurate to the original Warcraft Orcs and Humans intro scene, and that was straight up the voice pulled straight from the actual cinematic. Let's try chapter 1, if I can win. It was a brutally difficult game for me originally, so I'm going to play it on medium. This is pretty much just telling us we gotta build 6 farms and 1 barracks. The classic Warcraft intro level. Classic because they followed through with that and did that in...
What is it? Off I go then.
They did it in Warcraft 2 as well.
What do you need? Say the word. Right.
Work completed.
Wow, that's
Of course.
fast.
More work. All right.
Orders? On my way.
Leave the gold mines up on and to the right.
Yes, me lord. Yes, me lord. Righto. All right. Righto.
It has been a few years... That's right.
Yes, my liege.
A few years since I
What?
played
Say the
Warcraft
word.
Orcs and Humans, so how good I am at this is probably going to reflect
Yes, my liege.
pretty badly.
Right. Of course. On my way. Of course. On my way. Say the word. Yes, my liege. Orders?
Ready to work. Off I go then.
Now, the reason I chose to do this instead of the
Yes,
original
my
Orcs and
liege.
Humans is because
Right.
the original
Of
Orcs and
course.
Humans
Right.
control scheme is just awful. Like, anybody who's played it can
Of
tell you
course. Right.
it is just painful.
Ready
course.
to work. Righto.
Orders? Right.
To the point that I'm amazed anybody
Of course.
ever
Right.
actually finished it.
On my way. Of course.
Oh.
Right.
Our gold mine is
Attack!
ready.
Yes, my liege. Of course. Orders? What do you need? On my way.
What is it? Off I go then.
Say the word. Of course.
There's always a second gold
On
mine
my way. Of course.
on pretty much any of the starter maps.
Aye, my lord.
Um,
Of
the reason I'm
course.
playing humans
Aye, my lord.
because
Ready to work.
humans canonically
course.
won,
Let me
Orders.
out.
so I figured,
To
heck,
arms!
it it'd be a good
Say
choice
the
to
word.
play.
On my way.
Plus, historically, I've liked the humans in
has collapsed. What?
the world of
Yes, my
Warcraft
lord.
more than I
my
liked
lord.
the
More lumber is required.
What do you
orcs.
need?
Mostly
my
because they
lord.
sided with the Blood Elves, because Blood Elves are just
Of
awesome
course.
in my opinion.
Right.
Which
Say
one
the
do you
word.
have?
Yes, my liege. Of course. Right. Of course. On my way.
Probably won't play
my
through
lord.
the Orc campaign because
Right.
it is quite literally
my
just
lord.
a flip-flop of the
Right.
units on almost the same exact
Of
maps.
course. On my way. Right. Aye, my lord. Right.
Which, I mean,
Of
works
course.
because they've
On my
got
way.
different skills and whatnot.
Right. Attack! Aye, my lord. Say the word. Of course.
What?
Down here, with the barracks.
Off I go then.
What do you need? Aye, my lord. Yes, my liege.
What is it?
Peasants haven't changed too much over the
Forward.
years. From Warcraft 1 to Warcraft 3.
Work completed.
Yes,
It's a
me lord.
beautiful sound effect.
All right.
The only real major difference gameplay-wise that I can see is you're not bound to actually building on roads, which you had to form straight from your town hall, two next to your other buildings. Otherwise, you just couldn't build them.
Work completed.
And of course,
Forward.
it's a lot more usable as far as games go.
Off I go then.
What do you need?
There were no hotkeys in order to
Say the
move
word.
in the original. You had to go over and press the move button.
Right.
Maybe
Orders?
the version I had just didn't have hotkeys,
Aye,
or
my
maybe it
lord.
was
Work
just that
completed.
the
bad
word.
the game back then.
What? Right.
It's not not impossible.
Yes, my liege.
More work.
No, I don't.
Say the word. Of course. On my way.
The visual
Of
range is
course.
about right for
Right.
the actual game.
Aye, my lord.
The fact that there is no fog of war was also something
On my way.
that wasn't implemented. I believe there was no fog of war.
Right.
Obviously the farm and this are different, completely different models,
need?
but footmen
my liege.
and the barracks are a lot closer to the original than
What is it?
that's actually enough wood.
All right. Yes, me lord. What? Yes, me lord. What is it? Yes, me lord. Off I go then. Yes, me lord. All right.
I guess we only need
Yes, me
two
lord.
more farms. That's nice.
What do you need?
The first mission's obviously
Aye,
just
my
a little
lord.
tutorial where
On
you
my
can learn
way.
how to
Of
play.
course. Yes, my liege.
Units don't regenerate
need?
health like they do in
Yes, my
Warcraft
liege.
3.
Say the word.
That was something much
Yes,
much
my
more
Work
lord.
impactful.
completed.
On my way.
What?
Holy crap, farms get built fast.
All right. Off I go then.
Yes, my liege. What do you need? Say the word. Orders? Say the word. Don't ask, don't tell. Grab your sword and fight the horde.
Yes, me lord. Righto.
But yeah, that's mission 1 essentially. There's another gold mine I think out there somewhere. Who
Work
knows?
completed.
And
Orders?
that's pretty much it. Let's see. Yeah, there are that many more. Goodness.